All right, today we're going to do lowercase c and o, and there's a new stroke that you're going to be learning here. I just call it the forward and back. If we look at the letter C in print, if you're starting a word with a cursive letter C, it looks exactly the same way. You just add that little bit of an extra tail on it where the next letter is going to attach. And some people kind of do a little down up right there. Down up. Down up. So if the word is starting with C, it's almost exactly like the printed C. Now, if a word has a C in the second place, or in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word, you're going to be starting on the belt line, slanting up, starting on the foot line, slanting up to the belt and going just past the belt. You want to have that little spot just past the belt here so that you're matching up with that little dot space right there. Okay. It's important that you go a little bit farther, because if you do your C just to the belt and then come back around, it doesn't quite look as rounded. Okay, so you've got forward just past the belt, and then you're going to go back in the same direction. I hope you can see that green there. Let's try it again. So it's forward, and then you're not picking your pen up to switch colors, obviously, and back. Can you see it now? So it's forward just past the belt and back, forward and back, forward and back. You want to make sure you don't go too far forward, otherwise it closes off. We don't want that. Okay, now same thing with the O, printed O. If the word starts with O, you're going to make it exactly the same way, only it has that little smile on its head where the next letter will attach. Just like the W, just like the V, just like the B, has that little smile. So it's around, touch, and smile. And that's where the next letter will pick up. Around, touch, and smile. Now, if a word doesn't start with O and it has the O in the middle or at the end, you're going to do the same thing as the C. This time you're going to go forward, and then you'll go back, touch, and smile. One more time. It's forward, back, touch, and smile. A lot of people make the mistake of going forward and around and up, and that's not going to work when you start attaching your next letter. So you don't want the round and round. You want to make sure that you go forward and then back along the same line. Forward and then back along the same line, touch and smile. Okay. So forward, back, touch, smile. Forward, back, touch, smile. Okay. Give that lots of practice, because the forward and back are going to be on the next several letters that we're going to be doing. And then, as always, go back and circle the ones that you feel like have the best shape. Great job.